Welcome back. It's time now to take a look at the top business stories. Abu Dhabi to find cheaper ways to produce natural gas. ADEC and AMD team up for advanced technology project for Emirati students. And we find out about the current investment opportunities in the MENA region. The GCC markets ended mixed today, while the UAE bourses posted gains. The DFM gained over 0.5% to close at 1,543 points. The property sector posted gains today as Emaar Properties rose under 1.75%, and Arab Tech jumped over 0.5%. Dubai Islamic Bank gained 0.5%, while Emirates NBD lost 0.3%. Du was up under 2.75%. 57 million shares were traded, valued at 102 million dirhams. And over in the capital, the ADX rose 0.5% to close at 2,599 points. In the banking sector, Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank lost 0.5%, while Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank was up 1.4%. Alda Properties dropped to 1.75%. Taka lost 2.75%, and Dana Gas fell over 3%. Etisalat gained 1%. 39 million shares were traded, valued at 61 million dirhams. And now it is time to take a look at the GCC markets, which ended mixed today. And coming up now, let's take a look at various currencies exchanged into dirhams, followed by the price of oil and a selection of commodities. And now to our top stories. Abu Dhabi must find cheaper ways to produce natural gas. That's according to officials. The Abu Dhabi National Oil Company's manager of exploration, Zaif Al-Naziri, said for projects to continue, there must be a further cost reduction, especially in fields with tighter returns on investments. Abu Dhabi is starting its first sour gas development at its Shah fields and has awarded contractors to build infrastructure, including a railway to transport sulfur. Long-term investment and staff training will also be essential for development, Al-Nasiri said. The Abu Dhabi Education Council and semiconductor maker AMD have launched a project to help students in the field of advanced technology. The program will help Emirati students gain experience in the semiconductor sector to help promote the growth of the industry plan for Abu Dhabi. The Director General of ADEC said the semiconductor industry is rapidly becoming an important sector for the region and that the goal of the program is to equip students with the skills to pursue a technology career. The program will include a paid AMD internship granted to qualified Emirati students, a student mentor program, and visits to AMD's research and development centers. The UAE ranked number 15 in the Global Consumer Confidence Index in the fourth quarter of last year, falling from its number 10 spot, which it previously held. According to research company Nielsen, consumer confidence in the UAE dropped 4 points from the third quarter of last year to 97 points in the fourth quarter, placing the country in the top 15 of the Global Consumer Confidence Index. In the first 3 quarters of last year, UAE consumers were the 10 most optimistic of all consumers measured worldwide. The index measures spending intentions and attitudes towards the current economic environment in 52 countries. According to the report, although concerns surrounding job security in the UAE have declined, this is still the people's main concern. And in our fast financial news, Damas International has again extended its debt repayments of 3 billion dirhams. This is the sixth time the gold and jewelry retailer has had to delay debt payments, as not all its lenders have signed the agreement. Damas will give the remainders until the end of March to reach a decision. The deal will give the company 6 years to repay 1 billion dirhams and use the rest as working capital. And plane manufacturer Airbus is looking to increase its sales in the MENA region by 50% this year. Habib Feki, the president of Airbus Middle East, said the introduction of a more energy-efficient model of the single-aisled Airbus A320 model will help drive this strong growth. Coming up after the break, we speak with an asset manager of Algebra Capital about current investment opportunities in the MENA region.